let's try to go more in depth with frequency. So with regards to frequency, sinabi nga ni Nikola Tesla na if gusto mo alamin ang sekreto ng universe, you should think of energy, frequency, and vibration. So most likely, if I hope that you have watched my previous video, and wait, wag kang aalis, tapusin mo tong video at hopefully may matutunan ka. So, ano nga ba ang law of vibration? So, again, law of vibration states that everything we see around us is vibrating at a certain frequency. So, I have a sample here. So, this is my RC car. So, I like RC cars. And this is the remote control. So, both of them communicate at the same time. So, this one sends out a frequency which na ito pinipick up naman ng RC ito. So, kapag siya nagsasend siya ng frequency, pinipick up nito, meron silang identical na frequency. So, nagsasend siya ng vibration na sobrang taas, hindi naririnig ng human ears. Pero, napipick up nito, meron siyang receiver. So, yung receiver yun is in-tuned, nakatune siya sa frequency na sinasend ng remote na ito. So, kapag nangyari yun, silang dalawa is nagko-communicate. So, the law of vibration states na kung ano man ang ating inner state, it will reflect with our outside reality. So, if ikaw gusto mo mag-manifest ng gusto mong buhay, you need to be that same frequency match sa reality na gusto mo. So, ano nga ba yung taong nakuha niya na lahat ng gifts niya, kumbaga lahat ng minamanifest niya, ano ang kanyang vibration, anong mood niya, what is he like? So, you need to pick up that vibration. So, first is the importance of meditation. Meditation is very important. So meditation calms our inner world. And it's the only way na to clean our inner world. So it's like a house, parang siyang bahay. Kung wala yung bahay natin, araw-araw need natin linisin. So our mind, when we meditate, nililinis natin lahat ng dumi sa loob ng ating bahay. So, same nga with Jesus. Kumbaga, Jesus, kapag napapagod siya, nagpapalayo siya sa mga disciples niya at nagme-meditate siya. So, it is, kumbaga, during meditation, kumbaga, nagre-recover ka rin ng energy mo. Ngayon, kapag sobra kang drained, marami kang iniisip, yung focus mo is kalat-kalat. So, most likely, yung manifestation mo is maliligaw siya somewhere. Kumbaga, yung energy mo mafu-focus sa ibang mga bagay. So, meditation is very important. So, you need to be still. Focus all of your energy in the now. And kumbaga, one also important step is detachment. You need to detach from whatever it is that you are meditating, whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. So you need to detach from it. Kasi kapag masyado kang attached, kumbaga masyado mong nilalagyan ng weight yung manifestation mo, most likely magpapalayo sa sa'yo. So same siya ng concept sa kumbaga yung mga nililigawan natin, yung mga babae dyan na alam na kapag nagpapa-hard to get sila, mas lalo silang hinahabol. So ganun tayo. So we are trying to attract our manifestation. So we don't put so much weight on it. Kumbaga, we leave it as it is. Kumbaga, parang wala lang. But the goal is there. Kumbaga, the focus is there. Kumbaga, we know, alam natin saan tayo pupunta. Focus tayo sa goal natin. And we need to resonate on that particular frequency na natanggap na natin yung ating gustong i-manifest. So, hopefully, on the next video, kita po tayo ulit. I'll share more in-depth things. Bye.